What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and you are watching Thickalodian. Even though we ain't got the theme song today, baby, but we still Thickalodian very much so. Okay, y'all, so today I'm making a zebra print skirt out of this zebra print leggings, and y'all been seeing this, okay? Y'all see me style these or whatever. I've just been waiting to turn the leggings into a skirt, and I wanted to get that style and video out of the way so I can finally do this project I've been wanting to do for a little bit, okay? So obviously, like, this stuff is super quick, super self-explanatory, okay? I feel like every time I say that, y'all ready to shut this video down. Anyway, just go ahead and cut them seams after you had already lined everything up perfectly, okay? Keyword perfectly, as perfect as you can get it, because you do not want no mistakes, okay? None. So go ahead and cut the crotch area and get rid of those seams so that your skirt can form a skirt, you know? Okay, so beautiful. After you have got that done, you can go ahead and peel it back, and then you will see that your skirt has formed a skirt, okay, period. So then you can go ahead and take that onto a sewing machine and sew those seams up, or sew those sides up with some seams, okay, and use zigzag stitch to, you know, enhance the stretch, period. Now, I'm not an expert sewer, okay, so I did have a little trouble trying to get these seams to be perfect or together or whatever, because it would just skip seams, right? So I had to tighten up the seams and make it smaller zigzags, if that even made sense. I hope it did. But yeah, just basically change your settings and make sure that these zigzags are a smaller stitch, because when you're working with thinner fabric, basically you're gonna need to do that, okay? And I didn't hem up my skirt, but it is very much so an option for you. But I just decided to keep it kind of raw to give it a certain edge, I guess. Do not forget to backstitch, otherwise you have just created a breakaway piece of clothing, okay, as you've seen on TV. So you don't want that. You don't want your skirt to rip as soon as you sit down or whatever. Check those seams and make sure there's no holes and no funny business going on, pretty much. And I had a lot of that because I'm not the best sewer, but baby, I get the job done, period. So here she is, fresh off the press. I decided to go ahead and leave one of those seams busted open, period. Okay, I had to get the torque test just to make sure that it's lively or whatever. I got a lot of booty, so I don't want a lot of it hanging out or whatever. The skirt is a little too long, a little too modest for me. I need to slut it up, baby, period. So I am going to cut some of the extra fabric at the end, and then, you know, just kind of style it from there. And so after cutting that extra fabric and deciding that this is the exact style that I want to go for, and, you know, making sure that it's not too scantily, yeah, it's not too slutty, okay? For me anyway. So I'm comfortable with it. So I'm going to go ahead and make me a quick top to go with this skirt out of the extra fabric that we cut from the leggings, and this is what we got, baby. She is giving Flintstone realness. She is just everything. I love this outfit. How cute is that? Plus, like, my hair coupled with it, I think that was so cute. I paired some heels with it that I got from Shein. Yeah, and then after that, bro, it was just up from there, and you can just style the halter top any kind of way. I just thought this was super cute and so me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for learning something, okay, period. And if you really did like this video, go ahead and leave me a comment, okay, because that would help the engagement, and so alike, okay? And if you are comfortable and up to it, join the gang, join the squad, join the peach team, the baddest motherfuckers, okay, on this motherfucking app, period. Join Thickalodian by subscribing down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Brandy Blackwood, baby, get into it. Until next time, make sure to comment a peach down below to let me know that you had hit subscribe and you are now a part of the gang, okay? The squad, fuck was I thinking? Production masterpiece and shit, I'm visionary. If you're dreaming of the whip while I'm whipping up the dream, we are not the same thing. I'm legendary, join the team. Bagging all the finer things, I'm plotting on some gravity. Massive land for grander means you sleeping
private, yeah. LIA the project. It's levels to the shit I trust in. And I'm blessed in this life, anointed. I'm a bunny in this bitch, all rough it. I'm a dog in this bitch, y'all's puppies. Been jumped at the point, just floated. I'm a star, this gleam is golden. Iridescent, that bitch really chosen. Pleasant in real life, indulgent. So too deep like ocean. Body and mind, they flooded. Like,